ScanMan is a technology company that uses drones to scan your barcodes in big warehouses to make your stock taking more efficient.
It works by separating the scanner from the display so the operator doesn't need to go up high to scan barcodes. We use drones and also reach truck and forklift technology to lift the scanner up and the operator stays safely on the ground. So we improve the efficiency of inventory scanning and the accuracy by up to 3 times. It's 3 times faster. It's much safer, and also the operators enjoy their job more because they're using the latest technology and their job becomes easier.
ScanMan taught me how to do so many things that I never thought I would do because I never knew anything about electronics.
We name our products after African animals because of their form or function. Our drone-based solution is called Hardidar because it flies high and is quite noisy. Our forklift-based solution we call the Buffalo because its original prototype had horns that resembled a buffalo. And our ground-based robotic solution, the Meerkat, is called that way because it scans the horizon like meerkats do, looking for barcodes.
Our business model is to scale ScanMan by growing partnerships globally. Currently, we have our footprint in Australia, Canada, Argentina and Brazil.